Every brand promises to stand behind their tools for life, but lifetime means something very different depending on who's holding the wrench. The Federal Trade Commission warns that lifetime warranties are one of the most confusing promises in retail, and tool companies exploit that confusion. We investigated 10 brands to find out who actually honors the promise and who quietly buried it in fine print. Snap-on built its reputation on the promise that a broken tool would always be replaced, no questions asked. But today, that guarantee comes with a wall of conditions. Snap-on's official warranty now requires the original purchase receipt, and claims without it are routinely denied, even for tools that once carried unconditional coverage. In 2009, an internal email to franchisees spelled out the new mandate: no receipt, no warranty. For discontinued tools, the policy is even harsher. If Snap-on no longer makes a model or has no direct replacement, their obligation ends. Customers with out-of-production ratchets or sockets are told, in writing, that lifetime coverage doesn't apply. Yet, on the surface, Snap-on's packaging and marketing still trumpet the idea of a lifetime promise. The reality depends on your relationship with a franchise dealer. Professional truck customers often get informal swaps, while casual buyers face dead ends and corporate refusals. Black & Decker followed a quieter path. For decades, their hand tools arrived with packaging that read lifetime warranty. But after merging with Stanley, the company began phasing out those promises without public notice. Archived product pages from the early 2000s show a shift. Old models quietly dropped to a 3-year or even a 1-year limited warranty. No announcement, no recall, just new fine print and a new standard. Buyers who thought they'd secured a tool for life found themselves holding a product with a warranty that expired before the tool itself did. These two cases reveal the first models of deception: a visible blockade of receipts and a silent retreat behind shifting definitions. The lesson is clear. When the definition of lifetime lives in the fine print, the real coverage can vanish overnight. Ridgid's lifetime service agreement, launched in 2004, promised lasting protection but introduced a strict 90-day registration window. Owners must register each tool with a valid receipt, UPC, and serial number, then wait for approval. Miss a step or the deadline, and the coverage disappears. Complaints fill online forums and BBB records, denied registrations for minor mistakes, or coverage lost when a model is discontinued. Even batteries and replacement parts demand new paperwork, and the LSA excludes consumables, wear items, and entire tool categories. The process, once simple, now hinges on bureaucracy and shifting terms set by Ridgid's parent company, TTY. Craftsman's story is a warning of what's lost when heritage gives way to policy. For decades, Sears would swap broken hand tools instantly, no receipt needed. By 2009, limits crept in: 3 tools per visit, no exchanges for rust, managers quietly tightening the rules. By 2014, returns required the original store, leaving many stranded as Sears locations closed. After Stanley Black & Decker's 2017 takeover, confusion grew. Lowe's now swaps only if the exact tool is in stock. Otherwise, customers face delays or are pushed toward limited coverage on new models. The old promise, any tool, anytime, has vanished, replaced by shifting requirements and shrinking options. Fiskars sets a rare standard for transparency. Their online warranty claim form asks only for the tool's serial number and a description of the issue. No registration, no receipt, and no hoops for most hand tools. Claims are processed within days, and users report broken loppers, pruners, and axes replaced with little resistance. The promise is clear. As long as the tool failed from normal use, the company stands by its word. Milwaukee's approach is just as straightforward, but in person. Their lifetime warranty on mechanics' hand tools is honored through a national network of factory service centers. Owners can walk in, hand over a damaged wrench or ratchet, and walk out with a replacement. No purchase proof required, no lengthy approval process. Both brands show that honoring a lifetime warranty can be as simple as believing the customer. Husky's warranty is as close to frictionless as it gets. At any Home Depot, a broken Husky hand tool can be traded for a new one right at the service counter. No receipt, no questions, no paperwork. The policy is printed on every package and reinforced by store staff. Mechanic sets, sockets, and wrenches are swapped out on the spot, with no registration or online claim required. Kobalt, Lowe's in-house brand, has built a similar system. Damaged sockets, ratchets, and pliers are exchanged instantly if the item is in stock. For tools not on the shelf, the process moves to a QR code. Scan it, fill out a quick form, and a replacement is shipped to your door. Both brands cut out the red tape and let retail workers honor the promise directly, making the idea of a lifetime guarantee visible and real for anyone willing to walk in. DeWalt's mechanics tool line stands apart for one reason. The warranty is as clear as the stamp on the handle. If a ratchet or socket fails for any reason, it's replaced. No receipt, no registration, no questions. The policy covers even accidental breaks, and authorized service centers honor it on the spot. There's no confusion or hidden catch, but the coverage is strictly for mechanics tools. DeWalt's power tools and other hand tools fall under limited terms. For professional users, this distinction matters. Snap-on's truck fleet system offers a different kind of reliability. When a tool is registered to a pro's account through a franchise dealer, replacements are handled directly on the truck. No forms, no waiting, no debate. This workflow depends on the dealer relationship, but for those working in the trade, it's as close to a sure thing as the industry allows. Both brands show that when terms are explicit and service is direct, the promise of a lifetime warranty can still mean what it says. Today, lifetime warranty is a moving target by design. Ambiguity remains a sales tool, so buy with your eyes open. The fine print, not the promise, is what truly lasts.